Okay, so Torras sent us a total of 3 new cases for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that we have here. And they also sent us a demo unit of the white color of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's not exactly a one-to-one replication of the real one, but it's okay. I mean, we can show the cases in both black and white colors. So let's begin. Okay, so I think we'll start with the one on the left side first. So we'll move all of these aside. So the orange one is called the Torras Moonclimber phone case, and it also has a clear color. So let's open it up and see how it actually looks. And here we go. This is actually a phone with a kickstand, so that's nice. I'm actually looking for a case with a kickstand for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So as you can see here, what we have is a little card here. Not sure what this is for, but thank you Torras, I guess. Oh, lifetime warranty card. Okay, this is a very thick piece of plastic bag, by the way. And this is the case itself. As you can see here, they are very nice in terms of quality. They don't have any dimples at the back part of the phone here, the phone case I mean, and it's also made out of a very hard material, so that's nice. And it is protected out of the factory with a piece of film, so that's good. And this kickstand is kind of stiff, so it locks into whatever angle that I want, so that's good. But the hinge is just tough. Oh, and it doesn't close properly. So yeah, this happened. It cannot close properly, but I'll give it benefit of the doubt that there's no phone inside, so it can't close properly. So let's put in the real Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Slip it in, and it fits in extremely well. I'm really liking this case, and as you can see here, all of the cutouts are very accurate, so the S Pen comes out easily. Yep, there we go, it comes out easily. And then we also have the speaker cutout, microphone cutout, USB Type-C cutout, and then at the top here what we have is another microphone cutout. Let me just focus it in for you. As you can see, microphone cutout. The camera cutout though is a bit weird. So they're using the prototype design of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra instead of 5 different circles. Not sure how I feel about this, but I'm okay with the design. There's also a very thick lip around the entire camera, which, yeah, you can lay the phone flat and it doesn't scratch the lens at all because of that sizable gap. All the buttons work really well as well, so volumes up and down, power button, all of them work really well. And for the hinge, even with the phone installed, I still cannot close properly. So Torras. But at the end of the day though, this kickstand can prop up the phone like this, or maybe if you want to put it like this, you can. Even though in this position, I do find it to be a bit unstable. Yeah, it's stable enough, but I would probably just use it like this. So this is how the Torras Moonclimber looks with the phantom black color of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's remove this and put in the demo unit of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and see how it looks. Remember, this is a demo unit, so the aesthetics is a little bit different from the real thing. But as you can see here, it also looks really pristine in white. So yeah, this thing can't be closed. I don't know why. So moving on to the next case, this is the Torras Shockproof Matte case in black color. So let's open it up, see how it looks. Everything comes out real nice, so I like that. And again, we have that real thick piece of plastic bag, so okay. And this case, I think it will look a lot better with the phantom black, and we also have some other packaging here. So this is actually to change the buttons of this case here to a different color if you choose to do so. So these are replaceable, you can pop them out real easy. So as you can see here, you can just push it through or push it out, I don't know, yeah, push it out. Then this is the button itself. So Now it's completely empty, and you can use either the Mountain Dew yellow, green color, or the orange color power button, or the volume buttons. Or if you want, you can mix and match between the 3 colors. Yeah, choose whatever you like. And of course, there's yet another card here that you can scan if you want to see what's up. So you can check them out on their Facebook page if you want to. I'll just leave all of the accessories in a box and install the Phantom Black color of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here goes. Ooh, I like the texture overall for this case. It's kind of like a not really soft touch material, but also not silicone, and it feels really nice. It looks really stealthy, and I really like that look overall. This black color case matches up with the Phantom Black color really well, so I'm liking the aesthetics. The camera lens is underneath this camera bump, so the lenses won't get scratched at all. All of the buttons work properly, so that's good. And also the cutouts are accurate. Actually, I like the cutouts on this one a lot better because as you can see here, there is some sort of a crater. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a indentation to reach the S Pen easier. So you can just pop it off, pull it out like this, start writing, put it back in, press it in, there you go. So all of the cutouts here are accurate. As you can see here, we have the speaker port, yeah, I forgot the name, microphone port, USB Type-C, and then at the top, another microphone port, and that's it. That is the Torras Shockproof Matte case in black color. Yeah, that's it. So let's also put in the Phantom White demo unit and see how it looks. So this is it. I'm gonna pop it in. Hey, actually this looks pretty sleek too. Yeah, I'm liking this mix and match of a color. I'm not too sure how this case will look with the new burgundy and also the green color. Anyway, that's all for this case. I'll leave this aside for now. And now it's time for the last case. This one is the Torras. Instead of Moonclimber, we now have a Mars Climber, but this one is also with a kickstand and it is now in black color. Let's open it up. And we can see that this case is very similar to the first case that we've looked at. It's just now in black color. It's not really black, it's still translucent. And then we have the same card just like the first case that we looked at. So that flew out. I'm just gonna leave everything here. And this case has the same texture as the second case that we've looked at, but with a kickstand. And this kickstand is actually not as stiff and can close properly too, so good. It has a really satisfying snap, by the way. So let's put in the Galaxy S22 Ultra in Phantom Black. There we go. I am really liking the texture that they have to put in here. It's kind of fine powdery kind of texture. Don't know how to describe it, but it feels really nice to touch, to caress. So I'm really happy with the quality of this case. So as you can see here, the camera bump is also protected by this huge lip over the camera lenses, so you won't scratch any of the lenses even if you lay it flat like this. And I should also mention that there's not much rocking to the case if I put it flat. So as you can see here, yeah, it is pretty much flattened out by the case, which is nice. And the kickstand, since this time we can open it up nicely, you can stand like this, or you can stand like this too if you want, although I wouldn't recommend it. It doesn't feel safe to me, but I'm sure it's fine. And for the cutouts, so this case design here is pretty similar to the second one that we've looked at, so indentation or the crater, so we can pull out the S Pen easily, so that's good. And then speaker port, USB Type-C, microphone port, and then another one is the microphone port at the top. Power buttons work really nicely. All of the buttons work nicely. It's nice and tactile. And overall, I like this kind of hazy black color on the Phantom Black. Again, it looks really stealthy, just like the second case that we've looked at. But how does this look with the demo unit Phantom White? Here it is. Again, it looks sleek. with that grey color, it offers kind of a bit of a contrast and a lot of outlines around parts of the phone case, which I think it's okay. This kind of looks like cel shaded kind of design, but I'm okay with it. So yeah, that's it. That's all the 3 cases from Torras themselves. If you want to know the price, I'll leave it all up on the screen right now. Okay, so that's the family photo for all 3 cases from Torras, available right now for your brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra. So from your left to right, this is the Torras Moonclimber phone case, clear color, and this one is the Torras Shockproof Matte case in black color, and this one is the Torras Mars Climber with a kickstand in black color. Personally, in terms of aesthetics, I like this the most, but in terms of functionality, I really do like this because of its kickstand, which is really nice if you just want to watch beautiful videos on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So there you go, that's all the 3 cases from Torras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Links to everything to purchase from Amazon down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.